This is DC Channel Guns. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.
What up, this is DC Channel Guns coming at you another gun video. Appreciate you watching, like, share, and subscribe. So I want to appreciate all my subscribers. I want to appreciate all the good information. I appreciate y'all for coming to the video. Appreciate all the support and love. Appreciate the comments and the energy that y'all bringing over here. Appreciate y'all helping out the first-time buyers and stuff and spreading all that good information in the country, what is going on in your area and stuff, keeping everybody in the know and stuff. That's the only way we're going to win in the two-way community. And so I appreciate all the fighting and support for the Second Amendment and stuff. We got to continue that. That is the goal over here. And appreciate y'all smashing that like button. Appreciate all the support. Appreciate y'all sticking with me through the good and bad and ups and downs. Nothing moves in a straight line, people. So we're going to talk about firearms and stuff like that. We're going to talk about, there's other benefits when it comes to firearms and stuff in this country. And that is the market, people. You got companies that's on the market, and you have a lot of people who's been buying in, anticipating gun control and stuff. There's people who piled into these stocks way before the election, people, anticipating, firearm sales to go up, firearm stocks to go up, and they're benefiting from it. So we're going to talk about these stocks. There's going to be 3 stocks we're going to talk about. We're going to get into it and everything. So let's get on with the video. So we're going to talk about these 3 firearm stocks and stuff. Before I get into, about these 3 stocks, here go the disclaimer to my, I'm not a financial advisor. Invest at your own risk. Do your own research before you invest in anything, people. Do your own research and everything. So, right now we're going to talk about these 3 stocks and stuff. And, right now I'm talking about, a lot of investors are waiting, should they buy or sell these stocks based on if gun control is going to gain steam. So that's what it's all based on. So right now in 2020, it has been a blockbuster year for these farm stocks and stuff. They've been going through the roof and everything, people. And, so you got investors just waiting to see what's going to happen. Everybody's waiting on this Senate to see if the Democrats going to gain, the Senate seat and stuff like that. And, if gun control measures goes up, these stocks is going to go up. If they see that the new administration can't pass no gun control measure, these stocks is going to be sold. Now, me, I'm a long-term investor. I'm not selling based on short-term news and stuff like that. Some people will. But with 4 years of administration, anything can happen, people. So 4 years is a long time, stuff like that. So let's get into it. Right now, we're going to talk about Stern Ruger. You're going to see a ticker symbol. This is morning stock trade and everything. So the price can be up, the price can be down. Whenever you see this video and everything. So we're going to talk about some things about Ruger. Now, Ruger pretty much sales has been steady right now. And, going into 2021, a lot of people expect Ruger to do pretty good. Now, right now, with high sales and stuff, Ruger right now is pretty much have pretty much sold 457,000 units to much. So Ruger right now, the distributor to retailer surged 55% in the quarter. And they, like I said, they sold 457,000 units. And, right now, Ruger is pretty much doing pretty good because now their third quarter earning is $1.39 per share. And that is 5-fold increase from 27 cents per share profit notch last year. So they had pretty much doubled their earnings from last year, people. That's how high farm sales been. Now, the average selling price of farm shipped last quarter rose 18% to $337. Now, right now, the first 9 months of 2020 represent 24% of all farms sold so far this year. Now, such as Wrangler, the Ruger 57, the LCP-2 22 long rifle, and the AR-556 pistol have proved extremely popular. So these some of the popular firearms and stuff, that Ruger is selling right now. Now, they had completed the acquisition of Marlin brand of firearms from bankruptcy from Remington. Gun owners and enthusiasts are excited to see what Ruger does with the historic farm nameplate and everything. So I told you that, Ruger bought that Marlin business from Ruger and stuff, from Remington, that they was filing bankruptcy and stuff. So we're going to see. Now, Ruger had declared a 56 cent per share dividend for the third quarter, 4th time greater than 14 cents per share it declares last year. So you can see that with these farm sales, Ruger, things with Ruger is going up, not down and everything. Now, right now, Ruger stock is up 70% from its low point early this year. Shares still trade 28 cents 28% below their August highs. So like I said before, when it comes to Ruger and stuff, we're going to see what they're going to do in 21, but I think they're going to do pretty good and stuff with the headwinds and stuff that we're facing. So we're going to go to the second stock. So we're going to talk about the second stock. The second stock is Sportsman Warehouse. Now, Sportsman Warehouse, pretty much, the e-commerce sales has been driven up 200% prior to last year. Now, the e-commerce business is going through the roof. And, right now, they're saying that their third quarter same-store sales increased 41% compared to the same period last year. So we know sales is going up. Now, they're participating. They're fishing, camping, and hunting will continue the market share gains in this stock right here. So with their farms and stuff like that, they continue to go up and everything. Now, one thing about Sportsman Warehouse, Sportsman Warehouse had netted sales of $385.7 million and an increase of $143.2 million, or 59.1% as compared to third quarter fiscal year 2019. Now, the net sale increase was primarily due to the surge in demand across all major categories. Like I said, hunting, shooting category, their strong growth in e-commerce platform compared to prior year. Now, their same-store sales increased 40% during the third quarter in 2020 compared to third quarter of 2019. So like I said, when you start looking at a lot of these farm stocks and stuff that I'm talking about, their sales are going through the roof because of all the fear and stuff that's out there and people buying farms. Now, their profit was $130.6 million, or 33.9 net sales, compared to $84.2 million, or 34.7% of net sales. Now, compared to prior last year around this period. Now, right now, the net income was $30.5 million. So I'm talking about, they're making some money. I'm talking about, we know that these companies are making money and stuff. So we're going to see how these companies go far as, going further out and everything. Now, right now, when it comes to Sportsman Warehouse, I'm talking about right now e-commerce, because a lot of people, especially when you got these shutdowns and stuff, stay-at-home orders and stuff, these states are pretty much are doing again all over again and everything. That's going to cause people to pretty much go on the internet, order and stuff like that. And so, like I said before, the e-commerce business is up 200%. And with that said, with this virus and stuff and all the order across the country, I expect this stock pretty much to keep going through the roof because people sit home and order all this stuff and everything. So this is a great stock. Check out Sportsman's Warehouse. You're going to see the ticker symbol and everything. Now, you're seeing the ticker symbol of Sportsman's Warehouse. It could be up or down whenever you're looking at this and everything. So this is a long-term play and everything. So we're going to go to the third stock. So the third stock we're going to talk about is Smith & Wesson. Now, before we get into Smith & Wesson, right now Smith & Wesson got a cash dividend payment that is coming up. The ex-dividend date is December the 16th. Now, that dividend of 5 cents per share will be paid out January the 5th of 2021. So if you're in Smith & Wesson stock by December the 16th of 2020, you'll get paid 5 cents per share January the 5th of 2021. That's the good thing about these farm stocks. When you hold them, you make money on it. I'm talking about you're pretty much holding that stock, you're getting paid a dividend and stuff for it. So that's the good thing about it. So right now, I'm talking about when it comes to Smith & Wesson, their sales been going through the roof. And so right now, one of the leading manufacturers, Smith & Wesson, I'm talking about their sales has doubled. On the ending quarter of October 31st, they sales from $248.7 million compared to last year's sales, $113.7 million last year. Ago. I'm talking about, all these stocks that we start to look at has the same trend when they compare last year to this year. They pretty much double their sales, people. That's pretty much what is going on. And they reported a net income of $52.2 million for the quarter. So that's amazing. And they're saying that they had zero debt, people. Smith & Wesson said they got zero debt. This is a 168-year-old company. So this is one of the oldest companies. One of many of the oldest companies right now in this country, stuff like that. And their sales pretty much has been going up because of people's fear of gun control. That's what they're saying. So going into 2021, I feel good that Smith & Wesson stock is going to continue to go, people, continue to go up and everything. So, you want to be in this stock here and everything. So Right now, they said that Smith & Wesson has increased jobs and stuff like that. They're expanding. They're doing different things and stuff, people. I'm talking about, like I said, a lot of these companies are doing stuff, to keep up with demand and stuff like that. So that is something that, we're going to keep watching out and stuff like that. But, get into these stocks, people. You're going to have to get into these stocks and stuff because in 2021, a lot of these stocks are going to pretty much going to go higher now. Right now, when it comes to Smith & Wesson, they reported, like I said, $52 million dollar profit compared to last year and stuff like that. And also, with this dividend, 5 cents per share and stuff like that, people, it's gonna pretty much it's gonna increase. We got 4 years of a new administration with the administration talking about more gun control measures and stuff in 4 years. These companies gonna be great companies that you can hold under the new administration, the Biden administration, people, pretty much, and everything. So, kind of just want to talk about Smith & Wesson, these 3 stocks right here. At the end of the day, invest in these 3 stocks, hold them, people. You got 4 years of gun control and stuff like that. You can benefit, and at the same time, you can also make money on these stocks and buy more farms. That is the whole goal of me doing this video and stuff. You can do it to make money or buy farms, however, but this is just food for thought. So I just want to talk about that a little bit. This is DC Channel Guns, and I'll catch you on the next one.
This is DC Channel Guns. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.